I challenged myself to make $2,000 in 48 hours with no audience, no ad spend, no shortcuts. This isn't a theory. I actually did this last weekend. There was no cold DMs, no cold calling. Now you're probably thinking, can anyone really do this without content, without SEO, or even going viral? How do you even find buyers if no one knows who you are? And I'm going to show you that. And there's one secret weapon that you already have that's been right under your nose the whole time. And once you see it, the results hit fast. So let's start with the first step that I took, because it's not what most people would expect. And it's the reason the whole thing worked. So I've been testing over 30 different methods for making about $2,000 over a weekend. And I discovered there's one way that works time after time after time. Now I've tested this method with profiles that have got no followers, no audience, no nothing. So if you're starting from absolute scratch, this is going to be ideal for you. This is basically built for you, right? Right. This here is called a TRex flare. Do you remember in Jurassic Park when Ian Malcolm, played by the legendary Jeff Goldblum, hops out of the car and sets off a flare? The T-Rex sees the flare and starts to chase Ian. Even when Ian throws the flare away, the T-Rex continues to chase him. Now, Ian Malcolm captured the attention of the T-Rex so well that it ran after him until he ate that lawyer guy from the toilet. Now, we are going to create something called a T-Rex flare and do the first part. Get their attention. No toilet deaths today. Not again. So I wrote a very short, simple post just like this that was designed to capture the attention of my ideal customer. But where exactly would I post something like this? With no audience, no list, and no time for SEO, my options seemed pretty limited. Now I could create a video and hope that it goes viral, but that would be a bit of a long shot. And I couldn't rely on growing an email list because again, I just didn't have the time. Remember, I'm trying to make $2,000 over the space of like 48 hours. So instead, I used something that we've all been sleeping on this whole time. It's a magic underground audience that has connections, it has customers, it has leads, and you don't even know you've got it. It's like stumbling across an entire family living in your loft, but with far less horrifying consequences. You see, as I mentioned, I've actually been testing this method, but what I haven't told you is I've been testing it with loads and loads of different accounts. What I did is I created fake accounts over lots of different types of profiles, things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, I'm not calling it X, fuck off Elon, Instagram, even YouTube. But none of these profiles were Mike Killen. None of them were me. But upon further inspection with all my tests, what I found is that these guys have something that I don't. Lots and lots of friends. These profiles had inadvertently built an audience that I wasn't using. So let's take profile A, for example. The way that I set up profile A is he's basically a person who sells stationery to mature students. So if you're going back to uni sort of after the age of 25. This profile, who's fake by the way, had an e-commerce store. And while we do ads for this business, I wanted to see if this method worked for an e-commerce product that didn't use ads. There's also another profile. We had profile B, which I think actually was also on Facebook. Now in this particular case, he was like a strategic marketing consultant. What I was doing was setting up fake profiles and testing, does this work on a profile built from scratch? Or does this work on someone selling consulting services? Does this process work on people selling physical products? I was testing a bunch of different variables. So in this particular two cases, we have profile A and profile B. Now the marketing guy did absolutely zero content, like none at all whatsoever. But I knew that I could still get them leads and sales using this T-Rex flare approach. Now, you can actually get this whiteboard if you head over to sellyourservice.co.uk/whiteboard. You can go ahead and download it completely for free, and then you can kind of, use it as notes or whatever. So just focus on the content and we can come onto the notes side later. But if you do want to download this, head over to sellyourservice.co.uk/whiteboard and you can get this absolutely free. So profile A, what I realized I had done is over the course of these profiles, in order to test them, and this is like a marketing methodology that I've used for a long time, where I'll basically create a customer avatar, but I actually create them a social media profile. And what I did is I joined loads and loads and loads of groups and forums and communities aimed at this particular type of customer. So for example, for profile A, our e-commerce store owner who sold stationery primarily to mature students, I had joined groups of people who loved stationery in general, like stationery appreciation groups, which, believe me, there are more groups than you can care to think of for that one. Mature student support groups, apps like study apps, note apps, secondhand book study or study book sales groups as well were really useful. So this profile had joined loads and loads of these books. And over time, again, this person, whose name was actually Marie, had started adding friends from all of these different groups, just as requests. And something really interesting started to happen. Over a weekend, I could quite easily add 20 to 50 new friends and new connections to a profile like this. Adding just a few people a day meant that their friend group list grew quite quickly. Now, the same thing happened to profile B, our marketing consultant. Actually, he wasn't on Facebook. He was on LinkedIn, this one. And again, he joined loads and loads of different groups on LinkedIn. Things like small business support, business networking. LinkedIn's full of these types of groups, support groups. I think in this particular case, he was a marketing consultant who primarily targeted like midlife businesses. He joined groups that were run by like coaches and authors. I think I put his name as Mark. I can't quite remember. But what I did differently that no one else seemed to do was I would connect with people. I would send connections, and this is both on Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever we were using, but I wouldn't pitch them. I wouldn't even message them. Back in the day, that's how people kind of used to make actual connections, is you would just connect with someone and that's it. Now, here's what's really interesting. Because our lives are basically dictated by like crazy algorithms, what happened is as I started adding more and more people to my profile or connections or friend list who were essentially inside my target demographic, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all of them would start recommending me to other people who fit the same category. So for example, if we look at profile A, Marie, she had added a bunch of what essentially was labeled as mature students. As that friend list grew, Facebook then started saying to other people who fit that same category, hey, you might want to connect with Marie. And interestingly, my friend list then started growing completely organically of customers. Now, this was a complete light bulb moment to me, because if I wanted to create like a free organic social media strategy, I basically uncovered it by accident. The profile needed to connect with potential customers and not other people in the same niche. This is the number one mistake I think marketers and freelancers do, is they connect with other marketers and freelancers, and you shouldn't. You need to connect with potential customers. And as whatever platform you're on begins to realize, oh, Mike is really well connected with loads of other cat hotel owners, we should start recommending his profile to connect with other cat hotel owners. I basically found that my friends list started to grow organically. And this is where this method I use really, really pays off, because what I would do is on a Friday, if we look at Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I would write this thing called a TRex post, and bam, my inbox would be full of leads and customers. And by Saturday, I was already having conversations with people saying if they would like to buy it. Now, of course, you could do this on like a Monday through Tuesday and Wednesday. But the best part is because the product that I was selling for both of these customers was around $2,000. In fact, obviously the e-commerce stationery stuff, I was trying to see if I could sell a $100 like stationery study pack. And for our marketing consultant, I thought I'd try and sell a $2,000 consulting and audit package. I only needed a handful of leads and sales to reach my goal. For the marketing consultant, I only need one person to buy, and I would make my money. For obviously the e-commerce store, I was looking at about 20 customers. And this is an example of the type of like TRex post that I would find. I've got a training video where I show 5 funnel builders how to land a $25,000 client in 7 days with no ads, even if they've never sold anything that expensive before. So if we were going to do this for our new fake profiles, we could say we've got an amazing home study kit, perfect for older students, that includes everything you need to revise in short bursts without using a laptop or iPad, even if you're balancing parenting and kids. What I've done here is I've done 5 really important things. First of all, I've called out the audience, older students. This is really, really important. I've offered a solution to a problem. Everything you need to revise in short bursts. I've also helped myself stand out from the crowd with something called without and even. So without using a laptop or iPad, or even if you're balancing parenting and kids. See, most people want solutions to their problems, but they then think, yeah, but I've tried this before, or what about my particular situation? So if you say to yourself, well, your particular situation is completely covered because even if you are stranded on Mars and without having to sacrifice 100 people, you can now get the same solution. And it also gives them a really firm result. Everything you need to revise. Everything you need to revise. Home study kit. For our LinkedIn consultant, we used a slightly different product and offer, obviously. So for his one, he was saying, I think it was an app that we used. We basically used high levels survey and quiz kit to build like a little micro app. I've got an app that shows mid-life businesses how much their business could be worth and if they could sell for 1 million without having to deal with business brokers, even if they have no idea where to start selling their business. So again, we're calling out the audience, midlife businesses. We're solving a really specific problem, seeing if they can sell their business, how much it's worth, and seeing if they could sell it. And in this one, I'm being really specific because I'm saying is your business worth $1 million basically? And again, without having to deal with business brokers, because that's the annoying part of selling your business. Even if, my particular situation, I've got no idea where to start with selling my business, that's perfect for you. What we would basically say is, if you want to have access to this, go ahead and comment down below and we'll have a conversation, or send me a DM. And what I would find is that by the time I would log in to my account the next day, my inbox would be full. I'd have loads of little like notifications and I'd have loads of like chat requests, and I'd be able to have a conversation with them and move them over to the next area. Now, like I said, you can actually get this whiteboard for free. The way that I like to do this was to offer a 10-minute call to solve the problem or to sell them a product in the meantime. But you're probably wondering what all those funnel pages and booking pages look like. And I'm going to show you how to build each of those pages and make money faster and easier using my $150,000 a year passive income funnel right here. So go ahead and watch this video to learn more.